have that. It's a jackalope skull. Okay, so we're here in Marbleton, Wyoming. We got Land Cruiser still on the trailer. I plugged the diesel in last night because it was way too cold. It wouldn't have started. So, gonna unload this guy real quick. Guys are gonna be here that we're helping probably about half an hour. So we're gonna kind of get things warmed up, get things ready to go. Maybe go into the lobby and grab a muffin. There, we still haven't put eyes on the recovery at all. So enjoy. Well, there he is. This is the guy that we're meeting here, and we're gonna follow him out to the site. There's Dad. Right down there. Probably cutting cookies on this little flat spot.
The only thing I could think is, like, if he was up here at night, he'd be driving, like, maybe didn't see, like, how ran his headlights, like, he didn't see what was below and things. But yeah, I don't.
You can have that. It's a jackalope skull. Keith.
Yeah.
Look. It's a jackalope. After she's done chewing on it, I'll keep it.
Oh gosh, you got strong jaws. There might not be much left.
To the far side, roll it over here, because then we're going to be on this and we're not going to be throwing it up there. And then we can turn it on right here. Drag your nose over.
Excuse me.
Straight up.
Yeah, that's kind of what I was imagining. Grab it kind of the front end, roll it, and do some down.
It's going to be harder doing it that way. It's going to be way easier to roll it straight over. We could turn it right there, but then we're dragging it against all this stuff and up this little berm. If we roll it over and then turn it, it still steers. All the steering components all still move and steer.
Yeah, I think if we could roll it up and grab hold of the front, break the front end around.
Yeah.
That is going to be.
I think we're saying the same thing, slightly different. Even just the big ones, anything that it won't roll over, because it'll be on its wheels. Yeah. Like this stuff here, it'll roll over, but that one right in the middle,
Snag branch. It's gonna hang it up.
it's just gonna hang it up and pole vault it. So, is your truck in position? You want me to start dragging cables down?
I'm close. The other thing I was thinking was when we get it up to the crest of the hill, getting it over that, like I can.
Nah, that won't be a big deal. I'll just
gonna have
hook it up with mine and
I think I'm gonna have
pull it.
Hold on to it with two trucks, and I can pull forward and then scooch it up and over or whatever.
Or we could just get it close and I can hook either just my boom or the rope to it and just drive
up and over.
Yeah. Because once we crest this part right here, it'll be pretty easy.
I'll have it made.
So I'm not worried about the pull. My blue truck could pull it up this by itself. So with both of our trucks, it's gonna be safe and easy. Nice. I'm not worried.
Yeah,
I'm thinking put yours right on the edge and stick your wheel lift in the ground.
Lift down and then
and keep your booms low.
Yeah.
And then I'll flip around in the front first because I have a 16.5 on the front. Give us a little extra power. Nice. And then when we get close, I can flip around and just hook it up to the boom. Oh, I found some Calvin Klein perfume.
That's mine.
Is it here? It's all yours. Hey, Ma! Stand that way 2 feet. To your left. There you go. I think it's too far. Here, take this with you. Don't drop it, you turd burglar. Hold up. Okay. Okay, hold up.
Caleb, thank you so much, bud. I'm just captivated on what's going on. Didn't even see my cell phone almost just get crushed.
It probably would have been fine, but.
Third one this year.
Okay, come on down with it.
All the way out again?
Not all the way, but.
Well, back to the red?
No, I'm just gonna hook this rope up to the front. We'll swing it, then we'll take one out. Wow.
They're gonna help. Let me get the bottom side.
No, I just got violated by
Oh,
the
you
stick.
get.
I've never done it with anyone or alone. I just don't like to dance.
I'm gonna name that stick Elton John.
At least, take me to dinner, would you?
Ah. Pretty sure that was fourth base. We'll see how strong this hook is.
The hook? Yeah.
They're usually pretty strong, but Chevys, for some reason, did an open eye instead of a closed eye. Might be able to swing her around though. They took his keys out?
Somebody's gonna steal it.
Okay, tighten her up. I'm pretty good. Thanks.
Yeah.
A little tired.
A little violated.
A little violent. I wouldn't stand there, Dapper. I assumed the keys were in it, but they're not in the ignition.
They weren't in the ignition, I looked.
Me too!
I bet he didn't throw it in the park.
It's in park.
It's in park?
Yeah. That's why this tire's turning backwards.
I guess I can crawl under there, grab the linkage. And...
Okay, hold it right there. See if you want to just magnet that to the hood.
It's
Let's-
at 8%, so it'll die on the way up there. But I'll pull my
All right,
phone
well,
out.
We'll grab the other battery. I just want to clean up all this garbage.
If you pull the truck over, don't try to catch it.
Why? It'd only break my collarbone.
Back tire's real flat. The rest should buff out. Buff it out, line it up. Almost to the top.
Okay, go ahead. Yours. I'm just going to leave that cable. I'll pull it a little further. Then we'll hook the chains up to it. Back out a little bit. Probably too hard. Okay, I'm going to pull forward. When you get loose, I'll stop. We can unhook you. I'll pull it out.
Okay, we got her out. We're airing up old blue tow truck right now, the blue diesel. We got it on hook. Taking the drive line out. Did it safe, no one got hurt, nothing got damaged. We cleaned up the mess that the guy's truck made going down the hill, all the garbage and stuff that fell off. So it's been a pretty good day. Got it out pretty quick, it only took us about an hour, hour and a half. So that was a steep hill. I hope the video does it justice.